Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, which name is Analytics Pro. Here under this playlist guys, we are going to cover SQL concepts from scratch. In the previous tutorial guys, we have studied about stored procedures and its types. And we have also learned how we can use stored procedure with parameters. So I hope now you guys are clear with the concept of stored procedure. And now in today's tutorial guys, we will learn how to alter existing stored procedure in SQL. As well as we will also learn how to alter views, and we will also cover the difference of views and stored procedure. So let's begin our class. So firstly we will learn how to alter stored procedures. So if you have created any stored procedure guys, and if you want to make any changes under the stored procedure, so how will you do that? So here is the syntax guys. You simply need to define this alter keyword before procedure. After that, the whole query will be the same. So let's try to alter this stored procedure with practical. So let's jump into this SSMS screen. So here we have entered in SSMS screen. So now guys, let's go here under the Shubham database and open this stored procedure folder, which we can see here under this programmability. So now let me click here under this stored procedure. So here we guys can see the list of stored procedure which we have created in the previous tutorial. So let me open this shub underscore sp. So as we know guys, we don't require any select star from keyword to open any of the stored procedure. So I can simply write shub underscore sp. And now let me select my query and hit execute. So we have stored group by query here under our stored procedure. So in the previous tutorial guys, while creating the stored procedure, we have stored group by query here under that stored procedure. And now I want to make some changes here under this existing stored procedure. So firstly guys, let's understand how we can see the stored procedure query which we have stored while creating the stored procedure. So if you guys want to see what we have stored under the stored procedure query, so what you need to do guys, simply select the stored procedure and do right click here. And here you guys can see the option of modify. So let me click this option. So the moment I click this option guys, you can see the entire query which we have stored here under the stored procedure. And you guys can clearly see this alter command is already here before this procedure keyword. So if you guys wants to make any changes here under this stored procedure query, so with the help of this alter keyword guys, you can make any of the changes here under this stored procedure. So let's say guys, let me add one more clause here. So I want to add this time having clause. And under having clause guys, I would like to write my sum of cost would be greater than equal to 2 lakh. So what we have done it here guys, we have changed our stored procedure. And now let me select this query and hit execute. So see guys, we have simply altered our existing stored procedure. So whenever I call my stored procedure name, which is shub underscore sp, so it will fetch only those records after grouping which is greater than or equal to 2 lakh. So now guys, let's try to call this stored procedure here. So what I will do guys, I will simply write shub underscore sp. And now let me select this query and hit execute. So see guys, we have made changes in our existing stored procedure and we can see only those results which are greater than and equal to 2 lakh. So in this way, you can change your existing stored procedure. And in a similar way guys, you guys can also alter views. So now let's learn how to alter views. So firstly guys, we need to create a view. After making the view guys, if you want to make any changes under your view, so again you need to use this simple alter command. So let's try to alter this view in SSMS. So guys, now let's open views. So let me minimize this stored procedure folder, and here we guys can see the separate folder of views. So let me click here under this folder. So right now guys, we don't have any existing views. So what I will do guys, let me copy this query from here and simply click here on this new query and let me paste it here. So to creating a view guys, we simply need to use create command, create view, and our view name would be, let's say, shub underscore vw, and simply put it as keyword. And now let me select this query and hit execute. So see guys, command completed successfully. And if you try to call this view guys, so what you need to do, you need to use with this select command, select star from, our view name would be, let's say, shub underscore vw. And now let me select this query and hit execute. So here we guys can see the same result which we have stored in the views. And now let me try to refresh this database. And now let's simply click here under the Shubham database and open this view folder from here. So here we guys can see the same view here. So if you guys wants to make any changes here under this existing view, so what you can do guys, you can simply write alter command here instead of create. So let me write alter command. And again I am taking having clause here. If you want to make any other changes guys, so you can make your other changes in your query. Having sum of cost is greater than equal to 2 lakh. And now let me select this view and hit execute. So see guys, command completed successfully. That means if I call this view again with the help of the select star from, so it will give you only those records which are greater than and equal to 2 lakh. So now let me hit execute. See guys, we have altered view with the help of this alter command. So let's suppose guys, if you don't have this query, so the question is that how we can see this existing views queries. So there is a very simple steps guys, just like a stored procedure. Simply go here under this view and do right click. So here we guys can see the option of script view as. And now let me hover my mouse to create to and simply click here on this create new query editor window. And the moment you click guys, you guys can see the query of view which you have stored under the view, and you guys can directly alter your view from here. Instead of create guys, simply use alter command. And one more thing guys which I would like to highlight, while creating the view guys, this go keyword is also comes to an end, but this keyword is not mandatory. That's why we have never used go keyword at the end. But this is the syntax guys, alter view, then view name, then as keyword, and you can store the query, and after that you can use go keyword. So now let me remove this having clause from here and let me select this query and hit execute. So see guys, again we have altered our view. And now let me recall this view again. Select star from our view name shub underscore bw. So I have missed e here. So let me put e here under this select. So now let me select this view and hit execute. So see guys, it's returning grouping with country and its total. And now let's learn guys how we can drop these views and store procedure. So there is a very easy command guys which we have already covered, which name is drop. So you guys can simply use drop command to drop your views or stored procedure. So let me drop this shub underscore view with the help of drop command. I'll simply use drop command, drop view, and our view name is shub underscore vw. And now let me select this query and hit execute. So see guys, command completed successfully. That means our view has dropped. Similar way, if you want to delete your stored procedure, so what you can do guys, simply write procedure here, drop procedure, and your procedure name. Let's say shub underscore sp. So I'll simply write my procedure name shub underscore sp. And now let me select this query and hit execute. So see guys, this procedure has dropped. Similar way, let me also drop another procedure. This country underscore sp. And now let me select this query and hit execute. And simply minimize these folders guys and simply click here on this refresh button. So see guys, I can't see any view here under this view folder, and if I click here under the stored procedure folder guys, so you guys can see both the procedure has dropped. So in this way guys, you can alter any existing stored procedure or views, and you can also drop with the help of drop command. And now guys, let's learn the difference of SPs and views. So here is the difference guys between views and stored procedures. So the first difference on the basis of parameters. Views does not accept any kind of parameters, but with the help of stored procedures guys, it accepts parameter, which you guys have already seen in the previous tutorial. We have created stored procedure with single story parameter and multiple stored parameter. So the next difference on the basis of operations only provides the read access to data in most of the cases. But in stored procedure guys, we can perform complex operation including data manipulation and business logics. And the third difference on the basis of query execution. Views contains only one single select query. Like you guys can use select star from before calling views. But in the stored procedure guys, no need to call select command. You can directly write SP name without using select star from. So the fourth difference on the basis of modification cannot directly modify data, it read only by default. But stored procedure can modify data with the help of inserts, updates, and deletes. And the last but not the least, so the last difference on the basis of storage. It does not store data, only store the query definition. But stored procedure, it compiled object in the database. So these are the general differences guys which we have explained it here. but we have other many more differences, guys. So if you want to learn it more, guys, you can explore on Google or YouTube. So for such kind of detailed learning, guys, stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And those who are new to this channel, kindly hit the like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press this bell icon, guys, else you will miss an update. And those who wants to learn Power BI or SQL from scratch, so you guys can follow this free YouTube channel, which name is Analytics Pro. And if you scroll it down, guys, so here you guys can see we have a full course Power BI playlist where I have explained each and every concept about Power BI in detail. And if you click here on this playlist button, guys, so you guys will get to see multiple playlists are here. This is the Power BI full course playlist and these are the advanced concepts of Power BI where you guys can take the knowledge of advanced concepts of Power BI. And we have this Power BI with SQL playlist where you guys can learn all the concepts of SQL from scratch. So you guys can start your SQL journey with this free YouTube channel. And along with that, guys, we have this visualization playlist and we have this DAX expression playlist where we have covered most of the DAX functions from scratch which are majorly used in your projects. And here under this playlist, I am also trying to cover all the differences of DAX functions which is majorly asked in an interviews. And very soon, guys, I will add some more playlists so that you guys can take better understanding of the analytical skills. And for the job seekers, guys, we have this free Telegram group where I'm keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening, as well as you will also find some latest interview question and answers which recently asked by an interviewer. So you don't need to pay anything to anyone. But those who are looking only live sessions, so we guys also conduct live training and sessions where we prepare candidates from scratch till intermediate level with some scenarios, real-time projects, assignments, notes and so on. And we also provide placement assistance with the help of WhatsApp group where you will get to see some HR emails, contact number and so on. And you guys can also follow us on Insta as well as Facebook. So all the links I will share under the description box. You guys can follow us there. So for free learners, guys, you guys can follow this Analytics Pro, and for the live training and sessions, you guys can connect me any of the platform. Thank you so much, guys, for your more love and support. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much.